Hello, my name is Zachary Fioravanti, and I'm here to talk about my research project, which is research into biochar. Now, you're probably wondering, what is biochar? Biochar is a material made from charcoal, typically mixed with some form of fertilizer that is then mixed into soil to be used as a soil amendment. Biochar is a very old material, and its use is ancient. Specifically, a cited source we have notes that a material known as terra preta was used by early Amazons in the Amazon basin, which they created using large pyres that were then covered over with dirt to smother the flames and create charcoal. This charcoal was then, of course, mixed with the soil and, of course, made the ground characteristically darker, but also much more nutrient rich and better at capturing nutrients. Um, Regarding what we knew about our research, we knew that it was an ancient material, obviously, that it was used by, this is not, biochar is nothing new, but its applications are still being researched. It has agricultural applications, specifically as a soil amendment, specifically used during crops to help the soil retain more nutrients and also help prevent soil degradation. We knew the materials typically used to create it were ground charcoal, typically created from burnt wood, and fertilizer, which of course can come in many different forms. For our research, we made use of nitrogen-based fertilizer, and that it already does see some use by home growers, but it has not been yet used on a mass commercial scale. What we didn't know about our research topic was all the potential applications. We eventually did learn of carbon sequestration, which is the idea of using biochar in the soil to capture carbon dioxide and trap it in the ground. Um, Proper application methods, we could not find a method online to properly apply it, so we came up with our own based on some research. And the differing effects on plants. We only tested biochar so far on two different types of radish plants. So because of that, we really don't know its applications on other plants or if it would have different effects. The value of our research is in this day and age, many people are scared of the effects of GMOs and modified organisms being used on plants, and many seem that we should use more natural resources in regards to how we help plants grow. And biochar has the potential to increase crop output. It could be used as a long-term soil amendment and potentially has use for carbon sequestration. And of course, it could help combat soil degradation and potentially increase the health of plants. And in this day and age, many farmers are scared of potential food crashes and their livelihoods. And of course, this would help farmers and potentially help the world with its food supply.